Hello everybody, Caleb here with Remax. Today we're in the community of Coach Hill. This is an estate community. We're surrounded by parks and playgrounds and amenities. Now we've all driven past this building one time or another. It's very accessible whether you're going downtown, COP, mountains, really anywhere in Calgary. Built in 1970, but this unit was totally renovated. So I'm really excited to show you. It's the penthouse unit. This one is really unique. So let's head on over. Hey everybody, welcome. We're in unit 434 in the 6400 Coach Hill complex here at the village of West Hills. Check out this loft. Really what makes this place unique. We're obviously on the top floor, so there's nobody above you. Totally open concept floor plan with the dining and the kitchen. Remember I said it was recently renovated? Kitchen included. See the granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and newer cabinetry, and obviously our eat-in dining space. A lot of storage in this unit. Really good sized bedrooms. Check this out. This is the smaller of the two. Large bed and furniture, and you still have lots of room here. Master bedroom, massive. Nice view, it's very private. And both of these bedrooms would share this bathroom, also included in the renovation. See the granite countertops, wood cabinetry, the tile, especially the subway tile in the shower here. This also doubles as your in-suite laundry as well. Now, a couple things that also make this, check out the balcony here. So nice and private. Put a barbecue and table and chairs. Nobody looking in. Extra storage here, which I know is good for, Christmas trees or any of that sort of stuff. Now check out, in addition to the two bedrooms, we also have this loft, which takes advantage of this natural light that we get with the two-story windows. I've seen these as, movie rooms, offices as they are now, exercise rooms, bedrooms even. We have remotes for the blinds to put them up and close. Really cool, hey? So this is priced under $200,000. It's a steal of a deal for a lot of different types of buyers or even an investor. If you guys have any questions and you'd like to book a viewing, this is one that you probably do want to see it in person as well. I know video doesn't do it justice. You guys know where to find me. Thanks for watching.